Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today's will be an Illumicrate unboxing, and whatever it is coming up in the captions because I checked my email and tried to figure out what in the world this was, and I didn't seem to have any tracking information, and I've already received my August book. So either they've made some kind of mistake and sent me something twice, or this is a pre-order that I didn't know was coming. So we're going to find out together what this is. Oh, okay. Yep, it is a pre-order. I was not expecting because I didn't know they had sent it. Looking forward to this one. Apologize for the noise. Alright. Here we go. It is He Who Drowned the World by Shelley Parker-Chan. Very nice cover on this. And there's the spine. Looks like it got a little crumpled up here. And the back. And of course we have sprayed edge on the top and on the bottom. And we have a design on the edge there. To be honest, my copy of She Who Became the Sun was not exactly in perfect shape when I received it. I did read that book and it was good. I really liked it, so I was looking forward to getting this one as well. Got some foil on the hardcover. And there's the spine. And the back is blank. And there is some beautiful artwork inside the dust jacket. Actually, I'll move this a little closer here and then kind of pan it across. Very nice. I think this dust jacket might actually be in slightly better shape than the other one. And there is some very basic art on the end papers. And I believe this is signed by the author. Yes. Here's the signature page. And now I will show you the Illumicrate Exclusive Edition of She Who Became the Sun, so we can do a little comparison. Alright, here is She Who Became the Sun. There's the front, and the spine, and the back. Again, we have sprayed edges, yellow here on the top, kind of a reddish orange on the bottom, and a little stencil design here on the main edge. We've got a nice foil design here on the hardcover. It's not really that easy to read. There we go. And of course, nice foiling for the title here. Back is blank. This one also has some very nice artwork inside the dust jacket. And you can definitely see that the dust jacket on this one is quite a bit rougher in that area. So, did get kind of dinged up. And this one, it looks like, has two different things with it, which I think is actually weird. I remember this now. There was actually a little kind of signed book plate here, but we'll do the end papers in a second because I want to show you that there also seems to be a signature page here. So I don't know if it's a hand-signed book plate and the book isn't actually hand-signed or what. It's coming up in the captions, so I'll look it up and let you know either way. But I just thought that was weird that there was a book plate and a signature page with this. This is the end papers. front and back. All right. These are really nice copies. And like I said, the first book, She Who Became the Sun, was a great story, so I definitely recommend it. But that was the Illumicrate Exclusive edition of He Who Drowned the World and She Who Became the Sun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay tuned, because I'll have plenty more unboxings coming your way.